Well, it's time for that News Channel 3 weather forecast this evening. Some cloud cover, even a light shower or two across the north coast tonight and into at least the first part of the day tomorrow as the disturbance pulls through here. And it looks like we're going to be kind of getting in a bit of a drier pattern again for the weekend. So we are watching this weak front move in with the low anchored a little further to our north. Again, as that slides on through here this evening and tomorrow, about a 30% chance of rain along the north coast tonight, maybe a slight chance on into tomorrow. Already that cloud bank has been sliding in. Some rain echoes a little further to our north. But again, we're going to see some of that tonight. The big action is once again over the plains. Really anywhere from North Texas tonight up into the upper Midwest. Long-lived, very strong, very destructive thunderstorms expected, including large hail and long-track tornadoes with this system. Already seeing some of that firing up out into parts of Kansas through the afternoon and evening hours, back into Oklahoma and Texas. That's going to continue. So big problems there potentially. Some rain in the northeast, heating up over the east. So if you've got travels taking you to the mid-Atlantic or the northeast over the next couple of days, prepare for warm weather. And as we head out through tonight and tomorrow, expect weather-related travel delays to be likely. Cities like Dallas, Kansas City, certainly on into Chicago later tonight, into tomorrow. And, you get into some of these big cities, and those delays will trickle down into others. Out west here, we see showers from really the Puget Sound down into Northern California tonight and tomorrow morning. Look at our advisory map. You see all the red boxes. Those are the tornado watches, again, from Texas on up into the upper Midwest and the northern plains, and thunderstorm watches there, too. Flood watches and warnings on the south. Wind advisories are common. By contrast, much quieter out west. So again, no big problems here, just a few stray showers tonight and into tomorrow. Then drier and probably a little bit warmer too. Those warm temperatures surging up from the eastern half of the country all the way up into the Great Lakes, with temperatures starting out in the morning already in the 70s and getting well into the 80s and in some cases approaching 90 all the way up to the lakes tomorrow. So that will clash with that cold front moving in and trying to bring some cooler air. The cool spots really though still over the northwest right now for the most part. Temperatures tonight, 53 Crescent City, 46 McKinleyville, Blue Lake, and Eureka as well. 48 over in Neyland. Forecast tomorrow, Shelter Cove holding in the mid-50s, Eureka 60, McKinleyville 60, Oric at about 55. So some clouds and some stray showers help us, especially near the coast, in many cases, to keep those temperatures down. You can see inland where we get some more sun, looking at temperatures well up into the 70s in many cases. Temperatures, you can see the green over the northwest, still relatively speaking the cool spot really across the country right now with the heat building over the southwest. Marine forecast keeps the winds out of the northwest, 15 to 25 knots, seas up to 6 feet, swells out of the northwest up to 9 feet, about 10 seconds between those. High tides at 2:03 in the morning, again at 3:57 tomorrow afternoon. So that stray shower through part of the day Friday. We get a break. High pressure ridge builds in on Saturday with sun. Some clouds Sunday with a chance of rain again by Sunday night or Monday.
Thanks, Jason.
And Manny Machado joins us right now, and baseball's returning to the North Coast.
Yeah, the Humble Crabs open their 64th season on the North Coast this Saturday against the rival Fairfield Indians. Tomorrow night, they'll have the opening night dinner at the Arcata Community Center, so a lot of fun tomorrow night. So when they return, it's draft day for both Bay Area baseball teams, and the Red Wings are again Stanley Cup champions. Stay with us. Sports is next.